for this challenge, we're trying to find the greatest common denominator, or as I kind of would refer to as the highest common factor for each of these volume orders that are coming in. So sort of what's the, how should we package up our orders in sort of what sizes so they could fulfill all of these different volumes. Okay, so first of all, I grouped by both the material and the volume to just get one row for each of those different volumes, and then decided that what's the easiest way to check all of the different numbers and whether they're divisible into these volumes. So I thought I'd just create a row for every single number from 1 to the volume. So the only tweak to my new rows tool when I bring it in, or generate rows tool, sorry, is to change this from being a 10 to adding in our volume field there. So you can see I get lots and lots of records here. So for example, this first one, this 5040, I'd get 5040 rows. Okay, so then I decide whether or not it's a factor. Is that row a factor or not? So if I do the volume divided by the row count, is that a whole number or not? So is it equal to the floor function of the volume divided by the row count? So you can see once we get to 11 with 5040, that is not a value that is divisible by 11. So we factor to just the trues. So we just keep the factors of each of these numbers, and then we're going to group by our material and our row count, so those are our factors, and count how many of those volumes is it a factor for. So a lot of these are 5, so for all 5 of those different volumes we have for material A, these are common factors. Okay, so we join that together then with, so we did a quick summary, sorry to say for each of our materials here, how many different volumes have we got? So 5 for material A, 2 for material B. So we do a join tool to say join the material to the material, join the count to the count, and then we get out just the common factors between all 5 of those volumes. Okay, so all that's left to do is find out what's the maximum one for each of them. So 840 and 9,360. So we just do a maximum, rename it to be highest common factor, and that's all that we had to do for that challenge. I enjoyed thinking about the logic for this one, definitely. So thanks very much for watching.